Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to use laptop with mouse. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you can see this is the mouse, right, and this is the laptop. So here, see, the wire of the mouse should be like this, okay, and the up one should be on the the hole should be on the up side. It should be like this, okay. And on the for from the laptop now, you can see on the side the hole to connect this one. So just connect it. So I have connected, and here on the mouse the light has came. It means the laptop has been connected with mouse, okay. Now I'll show you how to play it some. Let's move on to play some music, okay. See, I'm going to play some music right now. See, the music is playing, right? So here the music is playing. Now let's off it, okay, and let's play some video. So here the video is, let's play it. So here is the video. See, the mouse is working, right, when you connect on laptop. So see, you can connect it like this, okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.